idea.
Got some posh crisps, Tory crisps. Got some sorrine in there as well. Nice sandwich. Be alright, should get us down there, shouldn't it? There we go.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. Right.
We're not in Yorkshire anymore.
Aircon's off. When was the last time aircon was off in your car? There's a little over there.
Do they sell fuel?
No.
It's funny, isn't it?
Right.
We've arrived.
Just got like fumes left. I think I have to find some fuel.
Need a
There'll be
hand.
some around here somewhere, really.
We've made it. Oh my god.
What are you going on for? Well, mine next week. All right, lovely. Yeah, love.
Thank you, Jeff.
He does need a bass drum, yeah.
You've had the short story, mate. Look at that. They're done. I need the lube. You still recording?
Yeah, it's
Need the toilet. Been a long drive.
Just have to decide whether you want that to, whether you want it to come forward.
Yeah, I think we might be alright.
Surviving.
really badly, mate.
Yeah.
Really bad.
What can we do to get your drums out?
Yeah, let's go with it.
No, you would want that. I'll be alright, mate, don't worry.
You sure? I've drum tech before.
Have you?
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Mate, if that's alright.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll get tonsillitis and chest infection.
Should have said after to come play drums, you know.
I wouldn't be here if there were a dep available, trust me. Thank you, Paul.
That's alright, no worries. Do you want it forward to the end?
Just so that your from the side of your specs.
Full of Christmas, yeah.
Yeah. We're moving house and stuff and also, so like...
Are you really? Oh,
But like, so...
Stop, kick. Tap. Come. Floor top. Hold it. You don't want to play a song and I'll just sort of give a...
Yes, you do. You were over here. I'm fine. Those two. Yeah. Thanks, Luke. Thanks, Luke. Great job.
See you at 7:30.
Waking up here on a rainy day, I swore last time that I would stay away. I came down here to talk to you. I said this time I might get through. Whatever's written in your heart, that's all that matters. You'll find a way to say it all someday, yeah. Whatever's written in your heart, that's all that matters, yeah.
Today is a rough one. Being ill sucks. This is a rough one. Can't call in sick when you're in a band.
Oh, this is fine. They're not very tall in Oxfordshire. Look how tall this door is. You ready?
We're admiring how low the ceiling is. It makes everyone feel tall.
Yeah.
Right, should we find some scram? Yeah.
The front entrance. Right.
Have fun, guys. Bye then.
Oh, because you're too shy to shine, so not too shy.
I thought it was too
I don't know, too shy to shine, I think it is.
Oh, is it?
A little bit comment with that drummer was fantastic. It was so serious.
Yeah. Is it any better?
It's free. It's on part
Look at it, better for what it was.
You went down.
Thank you. I don't feel it in the slightest. Cheers.
Sent it to
It
Mike.
looks great, it's better than you did.
Yeah, the costumes are unbelievable.
Good luck.
Why? Is it?
No, just good luck. You just never know what can happen.
Appreciate that.
No worries.
I'm worried now.
Don't be worried. Just be mindful.
You ready?
I might get some of those. Go to our hardware store next week. And get...
I am wrecked. Jesus. Let's get this done. Thanks a lot for tonight, mate. Sound spot on.
Right,
Cheers.
thank you.
Yeah, I'll not shake your hand because I'm poorly sick and dying, but appreciate it though, mate.
Cheers, look after yourself, buddy.
You too, mate. Thanks a lot for your help. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you, Lord. Oh,
I owe you one.
all right, big money.
Yes, yeah.
All right, but just steady away, love. And,
Cheers, mate. I'll be all right.
You'll be back to full functioning order.
A few more days.
Just rest.
Yeah, that's fun.
Cuddle up with that lovely cat, love. You'll be fine. All right, Flower.
Cheers, mate.
Take care.
Jack. See you in a bit. Thank you for everything you're doing.
It's alright. I know you did the same for me, so.
I absolutely would. Ah, surprise. Home time. Hardest gig of my life. Hands down. Time for bed.